To configure the settings of an occupancy sensor, go to your thermostat page. Click Sensors from the left side menu, then click on the Sensor Settings button. You can set the weighting of the thermostat's built-in temperature sensor by selecting from the drop-down list. If you are unsure about what a setting does, you can mouse over the tooltip to view a simple description of the setting. For general occupancy settings, you can enable or disable occupancy detection. If disabled, occupancy sensing will be disabled regardless of each sensor's output. You can configure the absence and occupancy detection sensitivity, which is the duration for the thermostat to declare an absence or occupancy state. You can set the restart time for occupancy detection after the user canceled an occupancy override. You can also enable or disable the LED blink on the sensor when movement is detected. You can set the settings of each individual sensor, change the name here if you would like to rename your sensor. You can view read-only details of your sensor, such as its MAC address, serial number, connection status, sensor temperature, and occupancy status. The battery level is also indicated here. You can enable or disable each sensor and select its weighting from the drop-down list. This weighting will be used in conjunction with the thermostat's built-in temperature sensor weighting to calculate the room temperature.